I recently just launched a new concept I call the community pack, which is a LUT pack that's built with the community for the community, which is you guys. Let me explain. The concept is that you sign up for a monthly subscription, and included in that subscription, you get your own custom LUT. So you simply fill out a form, you send me a clip describing what you would like it to look like, and then I develop a LUT for you. When I've developed the LUT, I send it to you for testing, and you test out how you like it, and if there's something you want changed, I change it, send it back, and when you approve it, I include it in the LUT pack. Now that's where the second part comes in. Because not only do you get access to your own custom LUT, you also get access to all the other LUTs from the other members of the community, which I think is a pretty cool concept. Now, I won't just make these LUTs capable of changing that one clip that you send. I'll be testing with my 300 plus clips as well to make sure that the LUTs fit a variety of clips and are more diverse and can be used on multiple of your own clips as well, and not just that one. But they're developed from the basis of that clip you send in and the description that you give me. Here in the beginning, you'll be able to get a custom LUT every single month, and that might continue as long as it is sustainable for me to develop them. We might change that later down the line. But for starters, every month you can get a new custom LUT, depending on what you need, if that's for your drone, for your camera, for different situations, scenarios, or you just want to kind of build up your own LUT pack over time using this platform. And the cool thing is, as long as you subscribe, you'll keep receiving LUTs from the other members as well. So you kind of stack up and build up more LUTs that you can use and test out and try for yourself during the period that you subscribed. And just know that as long as you subscribe, you'll keep receiving these, but you can cancel at any time that your subscription run out. It runs for a month. Receive all the LUTs included in that month, and then you'll just get to keep those LUTs, including your own, and use them for whatever you want for as long as you want. Here in the beginning, I'll keep the price pretty low because we need to get started. We need to populate it with a lot of cool LUTs. So while I'm not gonna tell you the price, you can just check it out in the link down below. And I think it's a pretty reasonable price for getting your own custom LUT developed for you and access to the other LUTs from the other community members. Now, depending on the demand and how many LUTs we get in there, I might need to increase the price later on, but I wanna keep it easy to access and easy to be part of, as it's also a way of supporting me and my work and getting use for that for your own needs. Later on, I'm thinking it would be cool to add a community chat or different tiers that gives you access to more content or behind the scenes or something like that. So we can kind of build it out more as a community, but we're gonna start out with the LUTs and see how that goes in the beginning. I personally haven't seen anything like this on the market before, and that's why I'm super excited to launch it. I initially just announced it on Instagram and realized that's not really the smartest, and hence the video that I'm doing now, because I really appreciate the community that we're building here on YouTube as well, and all of you guys who support me and want to be a part of learning color grading and everything else that I do here on the channel as well. And I've also been wanting to do subscriptions for a long time, but not really been able to figure out exactly what to do and how to do it in a sustainable way, and I thought this was a unique way of doing it. So it gives me a steady income and gives you a lot of value, so I thought it was a win-win situation to test out and try and see if you guys are interested in doing. There won't be unlimited spots. In the beginning here, I've only opened up 10 spots and there's only a few left, but as soon as those fill up, depending on the demand, depending on how fast you guys are and sending in your clips and descriptions, I might open up some more spots. So you can still get a foot in or send me a DM if you really want a spot, and we can see if we can figure something out and if I have the work capacity to put in more work with making the LUTs so we can get some more out there. I'll also develop a few LUTs based on my own clips just to populate the community pack a little bit more so you get some value as soon as you join. I heavily rely on you guys to send in the clips and description for this to really get rolling, so it is a little bit of a slow start, and therefore the updates will also be a little bit more sporadic here in the beginning. But as soon as we get a good workflow up and running, it'll be either weekly or bi-weekly updates with new LUTs that you can use for your color grading and your videos. I really hope you want to join this crazy adventure that we are on with both YouTube and everything, and support me in this way, and support yourself with some custom LUTs that I actually developed for your specific needs. If you have any questions about it, please leave a comment below or send me a DM on Instagram. I'm always happy to help, and I only want to make this better and provide as much value as I possibly can for you in this community pack and in this community we're building. So I'm always happy to answer any questions or anything that you might have. And with that said, that's all I have for this video. It was just an explanation of what I'm working on and why I'm so excited about this community pack. So I hope I see you in there. I hope I get to develop a lot for you very soon. And no matter what, I'll catch you in the next video.